Hey there. I want to share with you why I'm such a big fan of lobster and how it's an amazing addition to your diet. So, let's dive right in. Lobster is not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. It's packed with protein and low in fat, making it a great choice for those looking to stay lean. Additionally, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are linked to improved heart health and reduced risk of depression. But wait, there's more. Lobster is also a fantastic source of vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in maintaining brain function and helping prevent anemia. And guess what? It's even good for your skin. Lobster is high in zinc, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and may even help fight acne. So there you have it. Lobster isn't just delicious, but it's good for you too. Next time you're at the seafood market or dining out, consider adding some lobster to your plate. Your taste buds and health will thank you. It is a little expensive though. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content like this one. Until next time, happy eating. Fun fact: lobsters have the ability to regenerate some of their body parts: the claws, walking legs, and antennae. The fact that lobsters are capable of limb loss and regeneration shows they have a very primitive nervous system and a different sensitivity to pain compared to humans or other types of animals.